you're a winner of 6,000 pesos. Babalik on stage, JR! Panalo ka rin, Noemi! Isang contestant din ang Queen of the Night, Mate! Aba, ikaw rin ay mananalo ng 6,000 pesos. Ramen! Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you, the 4 winners of 6,000 pesos. Take a photo, take a photo. 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, tuloy-tuloy na to. Paano naman kung may 6K for 4 people, meron ding 8,000 pesos! May I have a representative? There will be 3 winners of 8,000 pesos! When I call your name, congratulations, Neil! You are a winner! At samahan mo si Neil Erwin!
Wag muna.
Sasamahan mo rin sila, Gilbert!
Pagtuloyin kayo,
Please receive your raffle prizes. You deserve it. And stay for the group photo.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a
Congratulations! 8,000 pesos din yun! Now, sa mga hindi pa napupulot, don't go just yet dahil meron pa tayong 2 winners of 10,000 pesos and 1 winner of 20,000 pesos! Pero, bago natin ma-reveal kung sino ang winners na mga yon, magre-reveal tayo ng isang winner. Ladies and gents, we have decided the winner for the dance contest. If I call your group, please join us on stage. Your group is the winner, RHL Dance Group! Ayan, someone will give the award for the RHL Dance Group. Pero, just so you know, lahat tayo winner dito. It's just that tonight, they were able to give out their all. Congratulations, RHL Dance Group! Thank you so much. Congratulations, RHL Dance Group! Now, we also have the winners, the results for the singing contest! Naku, marami tayong awards for tonight, but there is also an extra award for the following people. But before that, I do want Ramel, the defending champion, to please prepare. Yes, Ramel, you will fight someone here on stage tonight. Hindi kamay, sa kantahan lang. But let us also announce the third and second place for the first batch of singers. Congratulations to the third place. Drum roll, please. You are third place. Come join us on stage. Flores! Ang dami na yung uwi ni Ma'am Flores. You are the third place for tonight, Lori. Quick picture. Quick picture. Thank you so much, Lori. Later on, we will give you your award. Now, for the second place, join Miss Lori on stage because Marian, you are second place. Whoops, I stand corrected. May sasama kay Marian sa second place. Halika na on stage. These are the people whose talents have been acknowledged. Thank you so much for joining us. You have your consolation prizes and you may now go back to your seat. Dahil, picture mo na. Gitna tayo, Miss Lori. Miss Lori, gitna kayo. Ayan. Thank you so much. Now, ladies, you may now take your seats. The person nakakalaban sa ating defending champion and will give us another performance of the night. Congratulations! Wait a minute, I just want to thank our sponsor for our catering for tonight. Palakpakan naman natin ang Ivory Catering! Now, for real this time, as they prepare, kanina meron tayong third and second place. This time, you will fight our champion. So prepare your song because you are the winner for the first round singing contest. Everyone, give it up for Ronnie!
Okay.
Create a picture and prepare for your song.